Hey roses! Welcome back to my channel. Ever wondered how some girls just look so effortlessly pretty every single day? Like, is it magic or a secret spell they pulled off? Nope, it's a routine, and I'm about to tell you their secret. In this video, I'll guide you through 12 things you should do daily to stay beautiful, glowing, and confident. So, grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's do this. 1. Start your day hydrated. Girls, stop playing with your water. As soon as you wake up, grab that glass of water sitting on your nightstand or get one there ASAP. Your body just went hours without water, and it's craving hydration. This wakes up your skin, flushes out toxins, and keeps your glow strong. Add lemon or a splash of apple cider vinegar for an extra detox if you want. And bonus points if you're sipping from a cute aesthetic glass. If you want to stay on top of your water game, keep a water tracker app or a cute water bottle handy to remind yourself throughout the day. No expensive skincare product can fix the damage dehydration does to your skin, babe. 2. Make your bed like a queen. I know it sounds basic, but making your bed is more powerful than you think. It isn't just about keeping your space tidy. What it does is it gives you an instant sense of accomplishment first thing in the morning. Plus, it's so much more inviting to crawl into a neatly made bed at night when you're tired. It's like treating yourself like the queen you are every single day. A clean room makes your morning routine so much smoother. Trust me on this one. 3. Cleanse and moisturize your face. Your skin deserves to feel fresh and clean, girl. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any oils or sweat from your beauty sleep. After that, lock in moisture with a hydrating cream or gel. And please apply it while your skin is still damp. This keeps an extra hydration. And don't forget your neck. Your neck deserves love too. For extra glow, try using a jade roller or gua sha after applying your moisturizer. It's like a mini spa moment every day. 4. Make SPF your bestie. Listen, I don't care if you're staying inside all day or if it's raining, snowing, or sunny. Wear your sunscreen. The sun's rays are sneaky and can cause damage even when you don't notice. A sunscreen with at least SPF 30 will keep your skin looking youthful and glowing for years to come. Trust me, future you will thank you for this one. And don't forget the backs of your hands. Also find a lightweight formula sunscreen that doesn't feel sticky. It'll make you actually want to use it daily. 5. Get moving even for 10 minutes. Exercise isn't just about staying in shape. It's about giving your body and mind some love. Even just 10 minutes of stretching, dancing, or yoga can get your blood flowing, which is the secret to that natural glow. If you're not feeling a full workout, put on your favorite playlist and have a mini dance party in your room. Your mood and your skin will thank you. And if you have more time, take a walk outside. It's like a 2-for-1, fresh air and movement. 6. Eat something fresh. You don't have to give up your favorite breakfast foods like pancakes or cereal, but always add something fresh to your plate. Think fruits or veggies like berries, avocado, or even a handful of spinach in your breakfast. Fresh fruits and veggies are loaded with vitamins that feed your beauty from the inside out. And don't forget, what you eat shows up on your skin, so choose wisely. For lunch or snacks, try cutting up some cucumbers or carrots for an easy, crunchy pick-me-up. Remember, pretty girls eat their greens. 7. Groom yourself like a goddess. Taking care of the little details can make such a big difference. This doesn't mean you need a full spa day every day, but keep your eyebrows tidy, your nails trimmed, and your lips exfoliated and moisturized. Feeling polished makes you feel confident, and confidence is always pretty. Invest in a cute nail file and lip scrub to make the process feel more luxurious. And don't sleep on using body oil or lotion after your shower. It's the ultimate treat for soft, baby-like glowy skin. 8. Smell like heaven. Being pretty isn't just about how you look, it's also about how you carry yourself. And yes, how you smell. After your shower, layer a lotion that matches your perfume or body mist. This makes the scent last longer and keeps your skin soft. When you walk into a room, people should literally think, wow, she smells amazing. And don't forget to keep a mini perfume in your bag for touch-ups throughout the day. 9. Stay organized with a to-do list. Write it down, girl. A simple to-do list keeps your day on track and your stress levels low. It doesn't have to be fancy, just jot down the top 3 things you need to do today. Trust me, there's nothing prettier than a girl who knows her priorities. Plus, staying organized gives off major I have my life together vibes. For an extra aesthetic touch, use a cute notebook or digital planner. 10. Speak kindly to yourself. Look in the mirror and say something nice about yourself every day. The way you talk to yourself matters a lot. Say something like, I am beautiful, smart, and unstoppable. You are your biggest cheerleader, and confidence starts with how you talk to yourself. Confidence is the prettiest thing you can wear, so start from within. Write affirmations on sticky notes and place them where you'll see them often. A pretty girl isn't just pretty, she's kind to herself too. 11. Stay off your phone sometimes. I know it's ironic, since I'm literally asking you to watch this on your phone, but hear me out. Take at least 30 minutes a day to disconnect from your phone. Use that time to read, journal, and plan for your next day. It's like a little mental reset that helps you stay focused and centered. Plus, glowing skin starts with less screen time. Consider this your sign to put your phone on Do Not Disturb for a bit. 12. End your day with gratitude. Before you sleep, take a moment to think of 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big, like your family, or small, like the way the sun felt on your skin or the cool wind. Gratitude shifts your mindset, and a positive mind radiates outward. The prettiest girls are always the ones who glow from the inside. Write it in a cute gratitude journal to make it a nightly ritual you look forward to every time. And that's everything roses. My 12 simple everyday habits to keep you looking and feeling your absolute best every single day. Remember, being pretty isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel. Let me know in the comments which tip you're adding to your routine ASAP. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because your glow-up journey is just getting started.